Hello everyone, I'm very excited because I have in my hands right now a lens I bought and I pre-ordered while I was in Costa Rica, and I am very excited to do this very fast unboxing and first impressions. This is the 85, the mythical, the 1.2, and I am very happy, and let's go! Okay, here it is, the 85. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. This was a lens I was looking to very much since it was announced. I would like more like a 105 because I have the 105 1.4G. But this is what we have. This is 1.2, and this is the first 85 1.2 we have in Nikon AFS. So I'm really excited. All the Nikon glass is awesome. It's really sharp. I hope this is too. So let's try it out. Let's open it up, and we open the lid here. The first thing we have is the lens pouch, the carrying case. I really like this because they are small and you can carry them and carry other things in them, not just the lens, the warranty card, the manuals. And here is the first look of the you can see the lens. It's really well protected. Let's take this out, and it's really big. It's massive lens. It's really big. Also we have here this other protection, and we have the lens hood. So let's see all together. We'll put this in here, put also in here, and here is really big. You can see my hand. It's really big lens. It's really chunky. Yeah. I like it. I like it. I won't say I want big, but you know, I'm surprised. I saw some videos earlier and these days, and they say it was big, but this thing is enormous. It's gigantic, and the lens hood is also really big. So you can see it in there with the lens hood on. Let's see. It has the little button here for the release, so you can turn it. I have here the 50 1.2 that I also use a lot in weddings and portrait. I really love this lens. I was never a guy of 50, but I give this one a chance and I really fell in love with this, and the 1.2 is so amazing, and I can imagine what will happen with this one, with the 85. But I don't know. You can see them. This is really, you can see it's really chunkier. It's a little heavier. I don't have the exact weight right now, but it's a little heavier. Chunkier. This doesn't have the LCD screen. Although I don't mind because I really doesn't use it. It's really fancy thing to have, but I really doesn't use it, so I don't mind a lot. Really elegant, and well, you've seen it. It's really nice lens. And what will I tell you about the lens? You just want to see images and raw. I will try to get a model or something to portrait, to make some images right now and get you some raw files. So have a little first look and first impressions video, and well, let's try that out and see you soon. Just before we get the pictures, I have some other lenses of the Z line. I have the 50 1.8, the 14-24, the 50 1.2 compared to the 85 1.2. So we can see the family of the 1.8 primes is really small, really lightweight, and that extra step of light will cost you a lot. 50 versus 50, you know, it's like double the weight, like double or triple the size, and like 4 times the the price too. So the 85 is around the same, and it's really chunky. It's really big. I'm surprised actually. And this is the 14-24 2.8, really lightweight lens. They blow it off the park with this one. It's really lightweight compared to the G version. But this we don't have anything to compare this in the same range. The 85 1.4G was really also lightweight and compact, but this is 1.2, so not really the same. So this is what we have. I hope you get a nice idea, and let's see if we can find the model so you can have your own images. So let's go. Hi again. So I don't find any model available to this evening, so I have Grogu here who will help. I just fed him and he's really happy to have some picture portfolio. So he will be our model today. So yes, so beautiful. So this is the way. Okay, so can you see here a little bit? The bokeh is really nice. I really like it. It grabs the eye really well. Even it's a toy, an alien. So I like it. I like it. In pictures it was really fast. I don't have the Atmos to record the screen, but it grabs the eye. It goes everywhere, very well. I'm sitting, so I don't have a lot of room for movement, but even it's 1.2 at 1.2, I think it really does a really good job. Even it's a toy and it grabs the eye very well. So you see it lost it a little bit with fast movements in video, but it grabs it again really well. So I think it passed the test. And 1.2 before this was like unimaginable. So really nice stuff. I will leave some of the pictures in the comments in the description of the video, so you can download the RAWs, and I hope you like it. Grogu say bye bye, and if you like it, you can please follow me on Instagram. I would like to hit the 10K soon, so thank you very much, and I will see you soon. Bye.